Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to do the floss stance. We're going to do a little practice to it, and we're going to build on the floss stance by going through a little disco move that uses the same movement and isolations. So the floss stance was popularized by the Backpack Kid, and it was repopularized by being a dance move in the game Fortnite, hence all my cosplay swag. For a beginner dancer, there's actually a few good isolations you can learn from it, so let's get into it. So you guys know I love cheesy dance moves, whether you're dancing alone, in a group, or with a girl. It communicates a lot of things. It tells people that you're self-deprecating, you don't take yourself so seriously, that you're a fun person, so it's pretty disarming. So you should always have cheesy dance moves in your arsenal, whether it's for going out to a club or for social situations such as going to a wedding or a cosplay convention. So let's get into the floss stance. The floss stance itself is not so difficult to do. The tricky part is doing a double speed, which the Backpack Kid does, so he does it really fast. And he also has really long arms. He's got a huge ape index, which makes it even more interesting to look at. Okay, so let's start with the first thing, hip isolation. So you want to be able to move your hips independent of your shoulders, like that. This is super important because for guys, it really builds into other dance moves. So for example, a Latin basic, your hips are moving independently of your shoulders, just like that. Now beginners, there's a tendency to kind of tilt your body like this. If you feel like you're doing that, check yourself in the mirror to make sure that your shoulders are level and it's just your hips moving side to side. So do it with me on my count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So if you're looking at a mirror and you're staring, you put the mirror in a distance and you stare at yourself, it'll actually help with the isolation. So the next thing you want to do is incorporate the arms. The arms are swinging opposite to the hips, so as your hip bumps out to one side, your arms swing out to the opposite side. So we're just going to keep them in front first, so we're not going to be flossing yet. Like that. And keeping a continuous rhythm. So on my count, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. So this next part is where we're actually flossing, and I think I'm going to lose a few beginners here. So what's happening is that on every other turn, you're flossing. So one hand goes behind, one hand is in front, that. So I think for this part of the lesson, I'm going to turn around because it's going to make it a little easier. Okay, so let's start off with both hands out to the left, right hand hitting like this. Now we're going to swing out in front like this, and right hand behind. Both in front, left hand behind now. Both in front, right hand behind. Both in front, left hand behind. Front, right hand behind. Front, left hand behind. Front, left hand behind. Good. Let's restart that again to see if you got it. So again, starting with left hand in front, right hip hitting out, front, right hand behind, front, left hand behind, front, right behind, front, left behind, front, right behind, front, front, left behind, front, front, right behind, front, front, left behind, front, front, right behind. Okay, so now let's do it continuously on my slow count, and we're gonna start off with this as our 1. So on my count, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Okay, so next let's move on to a dance practice with music, but we're going to do it regular speed. Remember that the actual floss dance is done twice as fast as this practice. Okay, on my count. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your own time. Without my help now. Good. Let's restart it again to see if you got it. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your own count. Great work. All right, so now I got a little bonus move for you. We're going to take some elements of the floss dance and we're going to convert it into a disco dance move. So we have the floss dance like this, and I'm going to slowly convert it like this until it becomes this. So the first move we're going to do is we're going to take the hip movements from the floss dance, which is a good basic move to have in your repertoire. And we're going to hit twice to each side, just like that. That. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. So Angela actually teaches this for women. She calls it hip hits too, but she uses levels like this. Give it a sexier hip look. We're going to simplify it. We're just going to keep them level like this, just hitting twice to each side. To help you with this, you got to turn your body a little to the side that you're hitting. That. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Hitting it twice to each side. Again, you gotta check out the Club Dance for Women program because it goes through it really slowly and it has lots of practices. So after hitting twice to each side, we're gonna incorporate the arms now. So floss dance had opposite arms to hips. This time we're gonna make the arms swing out with the hips like that. Now this move almost becomes another cheesy dance move. You look, you swing them out like that. It's kind of Carlton dance. So if you just add a bobble in the head, it's become another great cheesy dance move. I absolutely love the Carlton dance. But going back to this move, we're gonna swing out the arms like this. Just like we did in the floss dance. Double hip hits with an arm swing. So hands are always in front this time. Now, if you want to make it more like the floss dance, we're going to take one arm, bring it out in front, and the other one goes behind. So this kind of borrows from another dance program I have, which is the locking program, and there's a whacking series designed for women where your hands swing out like this. Locking and whacking is great because it makes a fun dance with melee weapons, but it's also a great move in itself for women and guys. And if you ask me, I think the locking isolations would make a great dance emote in Fortnite. Okay, so back on track. This time, instead of hands coming out in front, we're going to bring one hand in front, one hand behind like that as we do the double hip hits. Just like that. So try it with me. We're gonna do this hip hits disco move on my count, starting by hitting to this side first. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Awesome. Let's try it to music now. Okay, on my count, it's going to be pretty fast. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your own. Awesome. Let's try one more time on the count. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On your own. Awesome. Hey, so thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like, subscribe if you haven't, and leave a comment for things you'd like to see. This is way too much fun.